Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape, and I want to show you what we got going on here. Now, as you can see, the water that's coming out of this gutter downspout has completely destroyed the landscape, but it also has to do with the tremendous amount of water that is coming from the neighbor's yard. That's right, the neighbor's yard. The gutter downspouts are tremendously impacting this landscape. So I came up with a design. Here it is. So I take the water within a 6-inch corrugated piping system up under the ground. But first I have to find out where the water is coming from. Well, I told you one of the areas that the water is coming from is from the gutter downspout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this gutter downspout and I'm going to tie it into this 20-inch drain box. But where else is the water coming from? Well, guys, the rest of the water that we've already identified, if you would have seen our earlier videos, you would have seen all this moss here is coming from the neighbor's yard. And you may wonder, how is that happening? Well, it's just the gutter downspouts. It's just the erosion that takes place. And when you have that type of erosion in the gutter downspout, erosion falling from your neighbor's yard, the only thing you can do is come up with a design that allows you to put the river rock along with this drain box that absolutely is going to solve this customer's landscape drainage problem